こんにちは. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm Mei. In this video, we are going to learn how to write Wo Hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. First of all, the title of this video is not accurate. It is spelled W-O, but this is just for the sake of the video searchability. This character is pronounced in exactly the same way as the Wo Hiragana character, so keep that in mind. So, O. This character consists of 3 strokes. All of them end with a stop. The first stroke is this one. As I said, the first stroke ends with a stop. The second stroke is this one. First, it goes diagonally to the left. Then, it curves down with a stop at the end. The last stroke is this one. First, it goes diagonally to the left. And then, it curves to the right with a stop at the end. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, 3. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page, the link in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。